All right, this is the WORKPROX 20V cordless caulking gun for standard 10-ounce tubes. Company sent me this product so I can check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safely, and inside the package you are going to get the caulking gun itself, the battery, you're going to get some instructions, and a Type-C charging cable because this is a rechargeable and wireless caulking gun. This is a 20V 2.0 amp hour lithium-ion battery with a runtime of up to 170 minutes. You plug it in to charge it under this silicone cover, and there's also a USB out that you can use to charge a phone or whatever. And you push this button on the front to see where your charge level is at. The unit itself is 17 inches long at its longest point. It's about 11 inches tall with the battery in it, and it is about 3 inches wide. Same size as the battery. And it weighs in at 3 pounds 4 ounces without the battery, and about 4 pounds 3 ounces with the battery. And as I said before, it is compatible with most standard 10-ounce 300 milliliter cartridges, silicone, acrylic, many other common sealants. Since it's powered, it works via this trigger. If you have issues with your hands like I do, this is great because you don't have that constant squeeze going on like you do with the regular caulking gun. You just turn it on by hitting the trigger. There doesn't appear to be an off switch, but it times out and goes to sleep pretty fast with non-use, maybe 7 or 8 seconds. And if you're using it and you finish up, it times out after about a minute or so. This carriage here can be removed. There's a trigger lock button, the push button, very similar to a drill. You can adjust the sealant flow with one of 6 speeds using the plus and minus buttons, and that's going to give you a range of about 0.5 to 7.5 millimeters per second, and it has a maximum force of 5,500 newtons. You can see me somewhere in this clip messing with it. I'm not someone that uses one of these things every day, so I've got a little bit of a learning curve. As you're pumping this out, you might want to stop as you get towards the end of the bead, especially if you get to the higher speeds because it kicks out really fast. I wasn't prepared for it. So you fire it up, simple trigger pull, and you can see that a built-in LED on the light lights up. That could come in handy for sure. If you want to pull the plunger back, there's a button on the front. You just hold that down and the plunger retracts. It's got 2 safeguards on it that I think are kind of cool. When you press the trigger and you let off the trigger, you can see that the plunger retracts a little when you stop. It's an anti-drip feature. When you get to the end of the tube, the rack automatically stops to prevent motor damage or overflow, that kind of stuff. You can see it stopped and it retracted. So there you go, nice ergonomic feel. The weight isn't quite as heavy as I thought it would be. This would be great for interior and exterior work, the kitchen, the bathroom, window and door edges, the trades, automotive work, furniture gaps, DIY projects around the house, all kinds of stuff. Very cool.